At Farmingdale, rain and fog were reported. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County, northeastern Burlington County, Monmouth County, southeastern Middlesex County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodruff, or 12 miles west of Toms River, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Jackson, Howell, Marlboro, Manalapan, Seton Falls, Holmdel, Red Bank, Keensburg, Methuen, Highlands, Lakehurst, Farmingdale, and Roosevelt. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 12 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 90 and 123. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.